Maybe can I help you?
You stick.
No. Let's open it. 3.
It's sure
Wow, a lot of toys.
head.
Hello. Smoothie. Maybe is it smoothie? Let's go. Are you ready?
You open.
I'm first. Okay.
It's another moose.
Wow.
It's the mouse.
Mouse?
Brachiosaurus. My turn to smash.
Wow, it's snake.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow. It's body from dinosaurs.
Bubbles.
Oh.
It's slime.
Let's put dinosaurs together.
Who's inside? So what is the way?
Wow. Dinosaur without head. I'm sorry. Blaine doesn't want to open. Smash us, dinosaurs! So fun! See you next episode!